¿Qué haces?
¿Qué? No.
Cazador.
¿Cazador? No, no.
¿No?
No. Mi español es no bueno.
No va bien, hijo. ¿La montaña no cazas?
No. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Logbook. My name is Jeff, but you can call me Jefinately. We're here in Topolobampo, which is a pretty sweet little town, and just finished the last episode just a second ago. Anyway, I'm staying in Los Mochis, which is about half an hour away, so I got to go back to the hotel, grab the stuff. We are going to Hermosillo today. I don't think I've ever stayed in that town, but maybe I could be wrong. But I've been through it before a couple of times. Big town. So yeah, I'm interested to check it out and actually hang out there. So yeah, it's also 2 days away from turbo time. He came from New York, I came from mid-Mexico. We're meeting in Tucson. Should be a blast when we get together. So yeah, excited for that. I wonder what he's up to right now. Anyway, let's go back to the hotel. We're gonna go into Sonora today, so we're still in Sinaloa, which is you know, like this and Los Mochis and Mazatlan, I think, are the only towns that you're allowed to, like, not allowed, but like you're supposed to avoid all the other ones. All right, let's roll. All right, let's see if we can find a good little taco spot for breakfast. It's 8:39. Oh, look at this. How about this? Perfect. That feels pretty good to get food so early, so we don't have to worry about it. It's out of the way. So I feel pretty good about this. And it looks so good. Oh. We're gonna roll. So we're rolling. Hermosillo is 5 hours and 44 minutes away, which is it's gonna be a really hot one today. Hopefully it's not as hot as yesterday. Yesterday sucked. And maybe I'll get sprayed with some worm spray or deworm spray. It's not very good for worms. Yeah, we'll see what's ahead. You guys want to do the over-under on tolls today? Let's do it's gonna be I'm gonna go with 400 pesos is gonna be the line. You can pick over and under. Yeah, if you want to do side bets on how many tolls, I will record all of them. So here we go. Okay, here we go. Number one. Let's get the big board up. Alright, this is some sort of military checkpoint. Not exactly sure what. Should probably turn the music down. Gracias. And I got waved through. Well, yesterday we had my fake worm stop. I can't remember what the other one was. And then this one, I'm going to speculate, is they are looking for Elvis. They got word that Elvis is in the area, and they're just checking cars, you know, making sure that if he is in the area, he's going to play the mayor's grandmother's birthday party, which is upcoming. So that's probably what that stop is all about. Alright. Okay, we're in Sonora now. And we got an inspection. Yeah, so Sinaloa didn't want worms. Wonder if they're gonna spray me in the face again. Okay, let's turn this down. Let's see what kind of checking they're gonna do. Let's see what they're checking for. Oh, fruits. Hola. Gracias. That's weird. How do they know I'm not a fruit? And this is the arc of no fruit. Strange. Anyway, so I guess this is you're not allowed to have fruit in this state. Alright, we got another inspection to make up reasons for. Okay, they pulled over a truck with like grain or something in it. I don't know, it was maybe corn. Bueno, no? ¿Qué?
¿Dónde vas?
Hola?
¿Dónde vas?
Hermosillo.
¿De dónde vienes?
Canada.
¿Cazador?
¿Qué? Ah, no.
¿A qué te dedicas?
¿Qué?
¿A qué te dedicas? ¿Qué haces?
¿Qué? No.
¿Cazador?
¿Cazador? Oh, no, no,
¿No?
no.
¿Qué haces tú? ¿A qué te dedicas?
Un momento.
¿En qué trabajas, hijo?
¿Mi trabajo?
¿En Estados Unidos?
Mi español es no bueno.
¿Vas hasta Estados Unidos?
I don't know.
Hijo. Acá al monte. ¿Tú caminas en el monte?
Esta para la montaña en la...
Oh, andas en la montaña.
Sí, sí, sí.
Oh,
Mucho cara de tierra.
turista.
Sí.
No va bien, hijo. La montaña, no cazas.
No, no, no.
venados.
No.
Oh,
Sí.
que te vaya bien, hijo. Vale.
¿Qué?
Goodbye.
Okay, gracias.
Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Bye, hijo.
He was asking if I had guns. I don't have guns. I would imagine that would have been clear when I said Canada. Anyway, that was a little stressful there for a sec. Well, yeah, that wasn't fun. Let's get out of here. Let's forget that ever happened. Okay. A caseta. A pay stop? What are they called? Tolls? Tolls. Man, I'm really looking forward to a toll experience after that do you have guns experience. Let's put up the big board. Moto 51. Oh, sweet. I'll have perfect change. Hola.
Buen día.
Buen día.
Serían 51, por favor.
Sí. Y uno. Perfecto cambio. Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. Okay, that was flawless. I don't know what that was. I felt a big clump in my thigh when I was starting back up. Huh. Well, let's change the subject so I don't think about it. Okay, editing Jeff. Where are we at now for totals? I think it's 99. Good old Wayne Gretzky. Alright, what do we got? 51. Okay. Hola. Buenas tardes. Gracias. I have no idea what we're up to, but We're getting somewhere. Buenas. I wonder if they can hear me talking to myself, or talking to you guys, sorry. But, you know, I wonder if they can hear me, and I'm just like, wow, this guy's properly weird. Alright. I gotta tell my family when I get home. Ooh. Diesel! Alright, who's more eager to serve good old Jeff? I'm gonna give it a nobody. Make it a nobody. Hola. Buenas. Lleno Aroja? Sí, Aroja. Gracias.
Yo pensé que estaba acá.
¿Qué?
Pensé que estaba acá el tanque.
Sí. Está en mi canal en YouTube. Mi gran viaje. Woo. Perfecto. Profesional.
¿Este?
Sí.
¿Este?
Perfecto.
¿Este no?
Ok.
¿Este?
Ok.
270 y faltan 7 pesos.
100. No, sí. And after fumbling with change at the gas stop, Jeff hurriedly made his way over to the OXXO to get himself a electrolyte and maybe an ice cream cone. How do you like my narration? I'm thinking of bringing it on full time. Also a lie. Oh man. Oh boy, it's hot out. Crazy. So, yeah, I gotta sit in the shade beside, I don't know, Santana? So yeah, we still have, I think, 3 hours to go, and it's gotten to the blow dryer state of heat, so, I feel like there's some mountains maybe in the future, but I can't remember. That would be really nice. But the shade right here, electrolytes, that's all I need right now. I will continue on. Alright. Oh. They're kind of interrupting my podcast. I'm listening to John Green and Hank Green. Called Dear Hank and John. And it's a comedy podcast where John Green and Hank Green answer questions from the listeners and give dubious advice. It's very, very funny. But what do we got here? Moto's 102. Jeez. Alright. Okay, I got my 2 pesos ready. I've got the money part. I've got the bills in my pocket. So I can't get it out of gear. There we go. Okay. Now I'm thinking, what's this guy? Did he run out of money like me yesterday? 2 days ago? Man, that sucked. That really sucked. Perfecto, see? Ah? Gracias. Oh, she was so proud of me. Oh, I feel like I've completed some sort of, you know, in hockey it would be a hat trick or goalie a shutout. You know, a pitcher would get a perfect game. Football? I don't even know. Oh yeah, quarterback would get a perfect quarterback rating. Oh yeah, back to Hank and John. Thank you very much. Okay. This is, well, let's take a look at the big board with the over-under. And I'm pretty sure this could put it over the edge. Whew. It's only 21. I think that keeps it on the under still. But we've got a little ways to go. Hola. ¿Cuándo? 21. Okay, gracias. Oh, this is exciting. It's so exciting. So, we've got 35 kilometers to gas station. And then from there, it's another hour. And I don't know how many more. We're just leaving the Guayamas area, going straight to Hermosillo. I don't think there's anything in between, so I don't know. I was so hungry, I forgot to film. I had 4 tacos carne asada. They're really, really good. So I got an hour left, and yeah, it should be pretty easy going, I think. Yeah, should be in the mid 3, maybe 4 o'clock. Okay, almost there. Whatever we do, don't crash into anything. This is my last night in a Spanish-speaking country, so I don't know. I feel like I should do something. Here we go. That was quick. Maybe, I don't know, taco eating. See how many tacos I could eat. That'd be fun. Ooh, shade. I wonder if they'll let me park in the shade. I'm doing it anyway. I think that could be fun. Taco eating contest, and I can only speak Spanish. Alright, I've already had 8 tacos today. We're gonna try to double that. I'm going for 16. So I just ordered 3 tacos pastor. Happy Jack has the trick to only order 3 at a time so they don't get cold. So here we go. Alright, 3 down, 5 to go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Getting woozy. Haha, I did it. Time to go back to the hotel and die. This is my winner's circle of getting 17 tacos in one day. Whew. I should not have done that for 2 reasons. First of which, I am about to explode. Second, I spent nearly all of the money I had in pesos. I hope you won on the over-under game, and it was pretty fun to do it. I think it's an under. I can't remember. I think it's a 400, and I don't know what it added up to, but I think it was pretty close. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Oddly fun day. A little sketchy with the guy that thought I had a gun, but other than that, it was awesome, and I'm full. So that's also good. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a little mini thumbs up, or a big thumbs up, or a high five. It's all the same button. And also, go tell a friend if they think that they probably have eaten more tacos because it's not that many, or if they want to, I don't know, see some stuff. If you tomorrow we're going. It's a border day. The last 2 border days have been utterly horrible. So one of them I didn't make it, and the other one the border was shut, and I had to come in illegally. The next one, and bribe a Guatemalan border guard. So yeah, let's hope for better tomorrow. It's 3 hours to the border, blah blah blah. Yeah, if you want to see that, then hit subscribe and make sure you get the notification, and I will see you in the next episode. Thanks a lot for watching. Go out there, find someone, make them laugh, please.
We've got big gulpy planes, we've got burping planes, we've got snowboarding planes, we've got double-decker planes, jet planes, airplanes, we got whatever planes you need. So come on down to Turbo Chainsaw's wonderful emporium of flying aircraft.